Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this floral butterfly home decor using Rinea fold papers. From Pastels Variety Pack, I'm going to use this beautiful Turquoise Starstruck, Lavender Starstruck, and from Floral Variety Pack, I'm going to use this absolutely amazing Violet Starstruck, Fuchsia, and Fuchsia Starstruck. For all the small elements on my project, I'm going to use finlets from Sizzix called Petite Petals. And all the names of the products will be in the description down below, so you can check them out. We also need scissors, a piece of string or twine, a pencil, a pokey tool to make some holes, a liquid glue and also red liner tape, a pipette to move our alcohol around and 91% alcohol, an air blower, and then alcohol inks from your stash. I've got these from Spectrum Noir, but you can use anything you've got, and then a piece of copy paper, cardboard, and this absolutely amazing Arctic Starstruck Rinea fold paper. Using a copy paper, I folded it in half, and using my pencil, I'm going to draw an outline of a butterfly. If you want, you can create your own outline, or you can pause the video and copy my outline. And what's really unique about butterflies that they are symmetrical, so we literally need half of the paper to create our template. And then we need scissors to cut our template and then use it for the project. Super simple and quick. And what's really unique about this project, you can actually use any piece of cardboard you've got in your home to create home decor pieces. It doesn't have to be butterfly, it can be any shape you want. Now I'm going to trace that butterfly onto cardboard. So actually, as you can see, this project is really simple and quick, and using those alcohol inks, so much fun. If you have never ever tried alcohol inks on Rinea fold paper, I really encourage you to do, because it is so amazing. Now I've got my base done, and using that beautiful Arctic Starstruck Rinea fold paper, we're going to play with our alcohol inks. So we need 91% alcohol, and I'm using my pipette to put a little bit of alcohol on my fold paper first, and then literally a few drops of color, and I'm spreading all the colors and alcohol using an air blower. I found that way it is much more easier than using a straw, and whenever you use alcohol inks, I really encourage you to work in a well-ventilated room, so open those windows, because you know alcohol has a really strong smell, and we just want to avoid any health hazard. So please work in a well-ventilated room. So I wonder if you have ever used that color combination in your project, like really light green, some blues and purples. And if you have, what did you use it for? What did you create? I really like that color combination in my projects, and it is my go-to color combo. Now I'm just checking if my butterfly actually fits. It didn't, so I decided to add more color on the sides, and using an air blower, it's just so easy to move all those colors around. And actually, what I found with Rinea fold paper, it is so much easier than using a Yupo paper, because you've got so much more control using alcohol inks and spreading them. Actually, all the inks here dry much more quicker than on Yupo paper, so you can add more colors and just have fun. If you have never ever tried it, I really encourage you to do. In the top right corner, you can also check my other project where I use Rinea fold paper and a piece of cardboard to create a heart full of flowers. I really encourage you to check it out, because it is so quick and beautifully made. Now, as you can see, even we put all those alcohol inks, we can still see that beautiful shine from Rinea fold papers and those tiny stars. Absolutely amazing. Now, using our small pieces of Rinea fold paper, we're going to die cut all those small elements with flowers, leaves, and also butterfly. And as I said before, everything will be in the description down below, so you can check them out. What do you think about this color combination? To make it easier for myself, I actually put a piece of red liner tape on the back of most of the pieces. I just didn't do it on the leaves. Now I'm going to use a pencil and draw a big outline on our Arctic Rinea fold paper. And I'm going to fussy cut and then stick our cardboard piece on top. And using that liquid glue here, it makes it so much easier because you've got time to maneuver the paper if you're not happy with the placement. And using my scissors, I'm just making sure when we fold all those pieces, we will have really nice smooth edge. And if you ever do that, it is so much easy because we won't see any cardboard on the side. This is a really nice trick and it will look really professional when we finish. Now I'm going to use a little bit of red liner tape on the edges because Rinea fold paper and red liner tape, they just work so beautifully together. Rinea fold paper sticks to red liner tape absolutely amazingly. And if you have never ever tried it, I really encourage you to do it. Also, don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I will have more projects for you with Rinea fold papers and also other videos later in the future. I also wanted to mention that in the description down below you can check my links, and when you go to Rinea website and you use my coupon code CRAFTINGWITHQL, you will get 10% off your purchase on the Rinea website. And all that information will be in the description down below, so you can check it out. And I also left a referral link. In the description down below, you can also check my written tutorial on Rinea website for this project. And also I left some links for absolutely amazing design team and my other projects I created using Rinea fold paper. Now, I've got a piece of black card and I'm going to trace our beautiful template on it and fussy cut that butterfly, and we're going to stick it on the back of the butterfly to have that professional look. Trust me, it is worth the time. It doesn't really take that long, but the outcome will be absolutely great. Now, when we are done with that part, as you can see, the butterfly catches the light so beautifully. That's what's so unique about Rinea fold papers. And when you create those holes in your home decor project on a cardboard using a grid on your mat is absolutely amazing because you can space those holes evenly. Now it is that time to put all those elements on our butterfly, and to start off with, I decided to have a tiny bit of strip in the middle and to put 3 beautiful tulips. I thought that would be a good idea because we're going to create a symmetrical image. So I'm going to use some leaves, that beautiful violet, then lavender and fuchsia on top. And I wonder if you have ever created a butterfly project, could be home decor or card. Please let me know in the comments down below. I'm really curious. I love butterflies, and I always find that if you create anything with butterflies, it's always so cheerful. And this project is actually perfect to be stuck or hang on a wall. And that's actually what I did. I put it above the door in my living room, and I absolutely love it because when I turn my head, I can really see that butterfly, and I love it. Have you ever put your beautiful home decor projects on a wall? If you have, what did you create? Please let me know. So as you can see, using that red liner tape on the back saves you so much time. And because I die cut so many pieces, the whole project goes really quickly together. And what's also really unique about Rinea fold paper, you can actually fold the paper 3 or 4 times, put the die and run it through your die cutting machine, and it will cut all those layers at the same time. So you literally save so much time because Rinea fold paper is really thin and it has that foil inside, so it die cuts so beautifully. Now it is time to put our string to our butterfly. So I usually make a loop, go through and pull. And I usually make double knots because I think it is much safer for any project. Please let me know, how do you put string on your home decor projects? Do you make double knots or single knots? And if your hole is not big enough, you can use a pokey tool to help yourself, and so quick and easy. So our project is done. And as I said before, with Rinea fold paper and alcohol inks, I absolutely love that technique. And I really encourage you to try it. What do you think about this project? Do you like it? Do you like that color combination? On the left, you can also check my other video, Under the Sea project with Rinea fold paper, and on the right, Water Lily Pond project with Rinea fold paper. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to create something with butterflies or florals. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!